नमस्कार भाइयों बहनों। आज मैं आपके साथ यूकेपीएससी का एक और प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर डिस्कस करने वाला हूं। आशा करता हूं कि इस पेपर के माध्यम से आप आगामी आपकी जितनी भी परीक्षाएं हैं, चाहे वह आपका आरओ एआरओ का पेपर हो या आने वाला यूकेपीएससी अपर प्रीलिम्स का पेपर हो या आपका एई जेई की जो भी भर्तियां आयोग द्वारा निकाली गई हैं उनका पेपर हो, उन सभी के लिए यह क्वेश्चंस जो आज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगा उन सभी के लिए आपके लिए ये बेनिफिशियल साबित होंगे। आशा करता हूं कि इस वीडियो को आप लास्ट तक देखेंगे और आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करें, जिसमें आपको हमारे जितने भी आयोग द्वारा कराए गए प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स हैं उन सभी के डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशंस विद सॉल्यूशन आपको वहां पर मिल जाएंगे। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं आज के अपने प्रश्न पत्र की। पहला क्वेश्चन है, वीरेंद्र डंगवाल वॉज अवॉर्डेड साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड फॉर हिज बुक। वीरेंद्र डंगवाल जी की जो बुक है वो है दुष्चक्र में सृष्टा, विच इज ऑप्शन सी। आयोग द्वारा प्रीवियस ईयर्स में वीरेंद्र डंगवाल जी पर काफी क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं। एक क्वेश्चन जो इन पर पूछा गया है वह यह है कि वीरेंद्र डंगवाल वाज बोर्न इन व्हिच प्लेस। सो ही वाज बोर्न इन कीर्ति नगर, विच इज सिचुएटेड इन टिहरी गढ़वाल डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ उत्तराखंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, एनवायरमेंटल कंजर्वेशन प्रोग्राम लॉन्च्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ उत्तराखंड ड्यूरिंग हरेला फेस्टिवल 2015 इज नोन एज। ये उस टाइम का करंट अफेयर था। दैट इसका आंसर मैं आपको फिर भी बता देता हूं। इसका आंसर था हमारा पेड़ हमारा धन, which is option D. In which of the following state of America is the Silicon Valley situated? So the answer to this will be option B, California. This is a very basic question. हमारी धरोहर scheme in India is introduced to. So the answer to this will be option D, preserve rich heritage of minority communities of India. Next question is, the golden rule of fiscal policy is that the governments are expected to borrow over the cycle to finance करंट एक्सपेंडिचर, ओल्ड लोन्स, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, इंपोर्टेड कंज्यूमर गुड्स। इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी, विच इज इन्वेस्टमेंट्स। द कमीशन फॉर एग्रीकल्चर कॉस्ट्स एंड प्राइसेस CACP रिकमेंड्स मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइसेस एट नेशनल लेवल फॉर। अब ये पूछ रहा है कि जो मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस विच इज MSP भी इसको बोलते हैं, कितने क्रॉप्स के लिए CACP द्वारा घोषित किया जाता है। तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका 23। CACP इज वन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये भी आपको याद रखना है, कमीशन फॉर एग्रीकल्चर कॉस्ट्स एंड प्राइसेस, जो कि आपका MSP निर्धारित करती है भारत देश में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच मेटल इज फाउंड एट द फॉलोइंग प्लेसेस, हुट्टी, कोलार एंड रामगिरी। देखिए, अगर आपको तीनों जगह के नाम भी नहीं पता और आपको या तो फिर कोलार माइंस पता है या हुट्टी माइंस पता है जो कि कर्नाटका में है, दीज आर रिलेटेड टू गोल्ड, सो द आंसर टू दिस विल बी ऑप्शन डी। एग्रीकल्चर क्रेडिट फ्लो टारगेटेड by Government of India for 2014-15 has been fixed at। ये उस टाइम का करंट अफेयर था, सो आई एम स्किपिंग दिस, बट लेट मी टेल यू। देखिए, आप इस क्वेश्चन से कैसे अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं यूकेपीएससी के पेपर्स का। एग्रीकल्चर क्रेडिट फ्लो टारगेट बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, जो रिसेंट टारगेट होगा, फॉर एग्जांपल 2021-22 का जो रहा होगा, उसको आप याद करके जरूर अपने पेपर में जाएं, बिकॉज इसी पैटर्न पे आयोग द्वारा क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज डब्ड एज ए लिविंग फॉसिल। Spanodon. The answer to this is Spanodon, which is option A. Which of the following is not a constitutional prerogative of the President of India? Returning back an ordinary bill for reconsideration, returning back a money bill for reconsideration, dissolution of Lok Sabha, summoning of the session of Rajya Sabha. The answer to this is B. President cannot return a money bill for reconsideration. Next question is, up to what age can the judges of Supreme Court serve? So the answer to this will be 65, which is option C. What is the normal tenure of a panchayat? The answer to this is option D, which is 5 years. Next question is, economically the most important rocks in India are. So the answer to this will be option D, which is Dharwad rocks. Question 14 is, Gandak river is associated with one of the following river systems. This is option C, which is Ganga. At what altitude are alpine forests found? So the answer to this will be option D, 2900 to 3500 meters. देखिए, इनमें जो अदर ऑप्शंस हैं आप उसको इजीली एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं, ऑप्शंस A एंड B को। अगर आप में थोड़ा भी कंफ्यूजन आएगा तो दैट विल बी बिटवीन ऑप्शन C एंड D। एंड इन केस ऐसा आपके एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में भी होता है, विच इज क्वाइट ऑब्वियस, ऐसा हो सकता है, यू शुड मार्क एन आंसर इन दैट क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज नेगेटिव मार्किंग आपकी 1/4 ही है यूकेपीएससी के एग्जाम्स में। सो यू शुड टेक अ गेस एंड मूव फॉरवर्ड। Where is the first biosphere reserve of India located? This is Nilgiri and it was set up in 1986 as the first biosphere reserve of India. The maximum rainfall in India is received from southwest monsoon. Again, a question from Indian geography. Integral coach factory is located at Perambur, which is option D. Who among the following deciphered the Mauryan Brahmi for the first time? This is James Princip. This is a direct question from NCERT. Which Indian national park is famous for rhinoceros population? This is Kaziranga. Also, it was in news because of the satellite phones which were being used in that national park. Which of the following term was not mentioned in Rigved? The answer to this is option B, Janapad. A very important question might be asked in the coming UKPSC exams. Bhimbetka, which is located in Madhya Pradesh, is famous for, this answer is option A, which is prehistoric paintings. Next question, which is question number 23. The copper coin called Jeetal was issued by, so the answer to this will be Iltutmish. This is a very famous question. Jeetal was issued by Iltutmish. Who wrote Jahangir Chandrika? This is Keshav Das, option A. During the Mughal period, Mansabdari system was related to, this is military administration, which is option C. Shivaji's administration had Ashtpradhan. The system which was followed by Shivaji for his administration was known as the Ashtpradhan system. So the answer to this will be option D. Mahalwari system was related to, the answer to this will be option B, which is land revenue. There was permanent settlement, there was Rayatwari system, and then there was Mahalwari system. Next question is, in which of the following session of the Round Table Conference did Indian National Congress participate? So the answer to this will be option A, which is second. The Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industries, which is FICCI, was set up in the year. FICCI was established in the year 1927. So the answer to this question will be option D. Who founded the Indian Natal Congress? Not Indian National Congress, but Indian Natal Congress. This is Mahatma Gandhi, which is option A. Which party declared 16th August 1946 as Direct Action Day? This was by Muslim League, option C. Which of the following statements about the Simon Commission are false? The commission had 5 members. No, this is false because the Simon Commission had 7 members. So 1 is false. So our answer is obviously option A, by elimination technique. Which of the following act made a provision for setting up a public service commission in India? This is a very important question, and this was done by the Government of India Act of 1935, which is option B. Question 34 is, in which year was the All India Women Conference established? So the answer to this is option C, which is 1927, the same year in which FICCI was established. Which of the following subcaste is not based on place name? This is Joshi, and this very question was repeated in one of the papers which was conducted by Uttarakhand Public Service Commission. I think it was in lower pre, for which the result has been declared recently. Which of the following Rajput subcaste is considered as Suryavanshi? This question might be asked, and the answer to this is Pal, which is option B. In the temple of a local deity of Uttarakhand, people appeal for justice through letters. Who is that deity? That is Golu Devta, which is option A. Which local deity in Gadwal region is known as Chalanda Wandering? This is Mahasu Devta, which is option B. Question number 39 is, who composed the Gad Rajya Vansha Ithiyas? The answer to this is Molaram. Also, there was a question asked in lower pre held on 12th December. Who was the author of Ganik Natak? It was again Molaram. Also, another question which is asked is, who brought the paintings of Molaram into limelight? And the answer to that question then will be Barrister Mukundilal. So Barrister Mukundilal was the one who brought the paintings of Molaram into limelight. Question 40 is, which of the following is not a folk dance song? Tandi, Thadiya, Chaufula, Khuder. The answer to this will be option D. Generally, the time span of the Kumbh Mela in Haridwar is considered to be, so the answer to this will be option A, which is Makar Sankranti to Vaisakhi. Who is the central character of Hill Jatra folk play? Hill Jatra folk play is Lakhya Bhuta, and this is held in Pithoragarh district of Uttarakhand. Pithoragarh district. Which of the following is more famous for skiing? This is Oli. Which type of musical instruments are Turi and Ransinga? They are Susirvadya, option B. The prevalent term for Alpana, a folk art of Uttarakhand, is this is Aipan, which is option A. In which year the publication of Gadwal Samachar did start? This was 1902 AD, which is option B. Which place of Kumaon is famous for Rangwali Pichodi? The answer to this is option A, which is Almora. To whom is the Dev Bhumi Dronacharya Award given? This is Koch, which is option B. Moving on to the next question. Himalayan mountain system originate out of the following geosynclines. So the answer to this is Tethys geosynclines. You should know this when you study the Himalayan mountain system. In how many districts of Uttarakhand the greater Himalaya is spread? A very important question. This is spread over 5 districts of our state, Uttarakhand. Which one of the following is not a tributary of river Alaknanda? Bhilangana, Pindar, Mandakini, Nandakini. Pindar is a tributary, meets Alaknanda at Karnaprayag. Mandakini is a tributary, meets Alaknanda at Rudraprayag. Nandakini meets Alaknanda at Nandaprayag. But Bhilangana is not a tributary. Bhilangana, which originates from Khataling Glacier in Tiri Gadwal district, meets Bhagirathi, and the Tiri Dam is constructed on the confluence of 2 rivers, which is Bhagirathi and Bhilangana. You should remember these points. Which part of the Uttarakhand does receive maximum rainfall during the rainy season? This is Outer Himalayas, which is option B. Which one of the following is a major cash crop of Uttarakhand? The answer to this is sugarcane. Out of the following crops, which one occupies the major part of the net sown area in Uttarakhand? This is wheat. Which of the following combinations of districts shows the correct sequence of magnesite deposits in Uttarakhand? So the answer to this will be Bageshwar, Pithoragarh and Chamoli, which is option A. Next question is the natural disaster that took place in Uttarkashi on 20th December 1991 was. This was a heavy earthquake, a very destructive one. So the same question can be framed in the upcoming examinations as a very destructive earthquake took place in Uttarkashi in which year? Then the answer will be 1991. Or they can ask a very destructive earthquake was held in Uttarkashi, was held in which place in 1991? Then it will be Uttarkashi. Similarly, because the similar questions have been asked by Ayog, that Malpa landslide which took place in Pithoragarh, it happened in which year? It happened in 1998. Now moving on to question 57. The system of Chhattis Rakam Battis Kalam was abolished by, this is Gorkha rulers, which is option B. Tarai district was formed in, this is 1842 AD. 10th settlement report of Gadwal district, very important question. 10th settlement report of Gadwal district was prepared by, this is E.K. Pau, which is option B. The share of Zamindar in the harvested crop in Tiri state was known as, this is Tihar, option D. Who has the control over civil forests in Uttarakhand? This is district magistrate, which is option A. Which of the following posts was hereditary? Peshkar, Pradhan, Tehsildar, none of these. This is Pradhan, option B. Moving on to the next question, which is question 63. Which of the following is a Kharif crop? So the answer to this will be all of these, because Mandua, Paddy, Jhangura all are Kharif crops. Which one of the following tribe of Uttarakhand is mainly involved in sheep rearing? Sheep rearing mainly involved. This is Bhotia. Also, they were the ones who traded with China or Tibet before the war of 1962. G.B. Pant University of Agriculture and Technology was named in the memory of Govind Vallabh Pant in which year? So the answer to this will be 1972. But the same question if asked in a way, अगर पूछा जाता है Pantnagar University of Agriculture and Technology was established in which year? Then it will be 1960. It was established in 1960, but Govind Vallabh Pant was added to its name in 1972 AD. Question 66 is the wide-scale movement for the abolition of Kuli Begar Pratha on 13th January 1921 AD took place at, this is Bageshwar. Very important question. Also similar question पूछ लेंगे. The famous Kuli Begar Pratha which was held in Bageshwar, it was abolished in which year? This will be then 1921. What is Patha? Patha is a pot, traditional pot to measure the quantity of grain. This is option C. The term Mutti is a unit to measure the, this is land, which is option B. Who was the speaker of the first elected legislative assembly of Uttarakhand? The answer to this is Yashpal Yaria, which is option D. In which district of Uttarakhand is Gairsand situated? Gairsand also in where the recent, not the recent, but yeah, where normally the winter session of our Uttarakhand Legislative Assembly is held. This is Chamoli district. It is located in Chamoli district. The President of India who granted his consent to the Bill of Creation of Uttarakhand state was K.R. Narayanan. On the basis of formation, Uttarakhand is the 27th state of Indian Union. Might be asked in the coming papers. Uttarakhand is the 27th state of Indian Union. Also a question related to Indian GK. As of now, we have 28 states and 8 union territories as of February 2022. Next question is the Chief Justice of Uttarakhand who also became the Chief Justice of India. He was Justice H.H. Kapadia, which is option D. The number of Rajya Sabha members from Uttarakhand is 3, which is option C. Number of Lok Sabha members is 5. Number of total seats in the Uttarakhand Legislative Assembly is 70. Number of seats reserved for ST scheduled caste is 2. And number of seats reserved for SC is 13. Moving on to the next question. Ganga Gai Mahila Dairy Scheme was launched in Uttarakhand by? This was launched by Harish Rawat. Option D. Question number 76 is, who was the first chairman of the Uttarakhand Public Service Commission? This was N.P. Navani, which is option A. Who is the propounder of the Green School concept? This is Virendra Rawat, which is option B. Tiladi massacre took place on 30th May 1930. अब देखिए ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिटेल में उन्होंने पूछ लिया. सो यू शुड रिमेंबर द डेट बिकॉज 30th में तो और ऑप्शंस में भी था, बट द ईयर वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड थस द आंसर इज 30th May 1930. Which sect did not register its entry at all in Uttarakhand? Kabir Panth, Satyanath Panth, Vairagi Panth, Nastik Panth. So the answer is Nastik Panth, which is option D. Which of the following combinations is not correct? Srinagar Ajaypal, this is correct. Tiri Sudarshan Sai is correct. Almora Kanakpal, Chandpur Gadi Bhanu Pratap. The answer is Almora Kanakpal. This is not correct. Question 81 is, where did the Mughal Prince Suleiman Shikoh take shelter out of the followings? Gadwal, Kumaon, Nepal, Himachal. This is Gadwal, which is option A. The king of Gadwal who was killed after being defeated by the Gurkhas was? This was Pradyuman Shah, which is option B, and he was defeated by the Gurkhas in 1804 in the Battle of Khurbura. Battle of Khurbura, 1804. Next question is, pawn to tea was an idol, a coin, a tax, a building. So pawn to tea was a tax. Who among the following was not a freedom fighter? Gaura Devi, Mahavir Tyagi, Govind Vallabh Pant, H.N. Boguna. Gaura Devi was not a freedom fighter. She was the one who was responsible for the Chipko movement in Chamoli district, and she belonged to Raini village of Chamoli district, initiator of Chipko movement. Which of the following combinations is not correct? Lansdowne, Gadwal Rifles, that is absolutely correct. Ranikhet, Gorkha Regiment, no. Ranikhet is Kumaon Regiment, so this is not correct. Dehradun, IMA, that is correct. Chamba, Gabbar Singh Memorial Monument, this is correct. See, from these options you can figure out. They might ask Gabbar Singh Memorial Monument is located at which place? So it is located at Chamba, which is located in Tiri Gadwal district of Uttarakhand. Also, Indian Military Academy was set up in Dehradun in the year 1932. This is also very, very important. Question 86 is, which of the following places is a famous Muslim religious place? See, the very famous Muslim religious place in Uttarakhand is Piran Kalia, Roorkee. So no doubt the answer is option C, Piran Kalia, Roorkee. Which of the following pair is correctly matched? Jim Corbett, politician, no. He was the one after which our national park, Corbett National Park, is named. B.D. Pandey is a historian, that is true. E.T. Atkinson, artist, no. Mohan Upreti, engineer, no. So option B is the correct answer. Next question is question 88. 10th World Hindi Conference was held at? This was a current affair at that time, so I am skipping this question. SAI, Sports Authority of India, is related to, of course, this is Sports Authority of India related to sports. The software which allows you to view the web page is called? This is web browser, option B. Which of the following is not an output device? Plotter, printer, monitor, scanner. Scanner is an input device and not an output device. In fiber optics, the signal source is, this is light waves, And fiber optics, they basically work on the principle of total internal reflection of light waves. Question 93. In following checks, which of the following IO techniques do the banks generally follow? This is MICR, which is option B. Which of the following is not a scalar quantity? Time, volume, density, momentum. Momentum is not scalar, it is a vector quantity. Polio is caused by fungus, bacteria, virus with single-stranded RNA, virus with single-stranded DNA. So this is very clear that polio is caused by virus. But see, here you have two options, option C and D, in which both virus is mentioned. You should know that polio is caused by a virus with single-stranded RNA. So option A, C will be correct. The gases responsible for acid rain are SO2 and NO2, sulfur oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. So the correct answer will be option A. The metal present in vitamin B12 is cobalt. Options A. The first commercial product produced through genetic engineering is, this is insulin, which is option C. Which of the following terms is related to rearing of honeybees? This is apiculture, which is option D. According to Urban Development Ministry of Government of India, which city has been declared the cleanest city of India for the year 2014-15? The answer to this question was Mysore. This was a current affair at that time, but let me tell you a question from the current affairs. According to Swachh Sarvekshan 2021, Indore has been declared as the cleanest city of India for the 5th consecutive time. So if a question is asked that which city has been declared as the topmost ranking city as per Swachh Sarvekshan 2021, then your answer will be Indore. So with that, we come to the end of our discussion of this question paper. Hope you liked our video. You can make down short notes when I am discussing all the questions, so that you know these videos do help you in your forthcoming examinations. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep yourself updated with the regular content that we posted out on the Telegram group or on the YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.